This is my old laptop that I use, and this is what it looks like now. The inside of a laptop looks something like this. So, let's find out the names of some of the most important internal parts of a laptop and where they are located. Today, you're going to learn some really interesting things, so keep watching. The laptop I've decided to open is an HP brand laptop. This video is made for information and demonstration purposes only. I am not encouraging anyone to open their laptop. Trying it yourself could damage your laptop, so please be careful. This is my laptop, and after opening it, you can see these parts inside. Let me show you. This is the laptop's RAM. What does RAM do? RAM is the laptop's temporary working memory. When you run Chrome, YouTube, or any other apps at the same time, RAM temporarily holds the information those apps need to work. The more RAM a laptop has, the more smoothly and quickly it can handle multiple tasks at the same time. However, when you turn off the laptop, the information stored in RAM is erased. And this is the laptop's SSD. What does an SSD do? An SSD is the laptop's permanent storage. This is where Windows, software, photos, videos, and other files are stored. Because an SSD is fast, the laptop starts up quickly, and files and software open faster. Even when you turn off the laptop, the information stored on the SSD is not erased. This is the cooling fan. What does the cooling fan do? The cooling fan pushes hot air out from inside the laptop and helps keep the CPU and other parts cool. When the laptop gets too hot, the fan spins faster. This helps protect the laptop from overheating and allows it to work properly. This is the Wi-Fi card. What does the Wi-Fi card do? The Wi-Fi card helps the laptop connect to wireless internet. Through it, you can connect to a Wi-Fi router and use the internet. In many laptops, this card also handles Bluetooth connections. If you learned something new today, let me know in the comments. You can also comment on what topic you'd like to see next. And if you liked the video, please give it a like and share it. See you in my next video. Thank you all so much.